Now we are going to adjust the printing position. Keep itching. Keep itch. Now the back stop here. Stop here. This is the button. This button is for make one print. Look. Now the print position is the bottom of the back. Is not correct. You want to change the position. 松哪里？
松右边这个黑色的把手。
Loose this lock. Loose this lock. OK.
然后调上面这个。
And turn the knob.
把整体的往上移。
Now it's raising. Whole part is raising. 左右呢？左右呢？
左右就调这个升降。
And this one is for left and right, and this one is for up and down position. OK, lock it. 锁住它，然后再按一下点动。Make one test again. Make test again.
再确认一下。
Now the position is changed, right? And then lock them again.